Hello everybody, it's RJ here again with another video for you guys. Today we're going to be making aluminum foil rockets. What you're going to need is aluminum foil, box of matches, a skewer, lighter, super glue, scissors. Okay, to make this video a little bit faster, I have everything already pre-cut as far as the aluminum foil goes. So the first piece of aluminum foil you're going to want to cut is 2 inches by 2.5 inches, and then the smaller piece you want to cut 1.5 by 1.5 inches. You can experiment with this on your own, but this is the size that works good. So first thing we're going to do is take the scissors and cut the tip off the match. Okay, next step, you want to take the aluminum foil, make sure the long length is facing towards you. And you want to take the skewer and lay it in here and leave a little bit of space for the match head to sit. Go ahead and start your roll a little bit like that so you have a place to set the match head. Set the match head in there. You want to leave a little bit of extra room for the tip, so that you can make a little point to the tip of the rocket. Now we're going to go ahead and roll it so it looks like this. The match head is in there and there's a little bit of space. I'm going to go ahead and make the point. And go ahead and leave the skewer in here while you're doing this. Make sure your point is nice and crimped really tight. Then you kind of want to feel for the match head and crimp around it a little bit, so that the match head doesn't blow out once you light the rocket, because sometimes they will. Now that we have the tip made, we can go ahead and take it off of the skewer. And the match head should not fall out. Then we're going to take the little square piece and we're going to fold it like this. We're going to kind of make a little bit of an X in it the best we can. So once you have it folded and you have the X in here, we're going to take this and press like this, so you can kind of start to form the fins for the rocket. Once you have them formed, you can fold them flat like that. So you can take your pair of scissors and cut just a little bit off the tip. You don't want to cut too much, just a little bit off, so that you have a hole like this. If you can see that hole there. Now you're going to take a little bit of the super glue and you're going to put it on the body of the rocket, just a little bit around the rocket. Then you're going to stand it up, take that piece where you cut the hole, the fins, slide it over the rocket, then kind of roll it around like that so you get a lot of the glue all over on the inside of the fins. Then set it down and press the aluminum foil tightly around the body of the rocket, and then wait for it to dry. Once it's dry, you have the finished product, and then you can launch it. So I have a bunch of these made up and they're on the skewers. This is my launch pad. I have a 4x4 block here with holes drilled in it where the skewers sit, and then these are sitting down on the skewers. To put the rocket on the skewer, all you do is slide it down just like that, and now we're ready to launch. Alright, before you launch these, be careful where you're shooting them, because some of them may travel at least 20 feet. So make sure there's no pets, no people, there's nothing that's going to catch on fire when you launch these. Just be cautious where you're aiming them at. I'm gonna go ahead and light these, and we're gonna watch them shoot off from different angles. Well, that's my video on how to make the aluminum rocket. You guys can make this, just follow the instructions on the video. Pretty easy to make. I made about 8 of them in maybe 10 minutes. Just be very careful when you're shooting them, and don't shoot them inside the house. Give me a thumbs up if you liked the video. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't. Share my content if you want to. Subscribe. It really helps out. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.